The tone from the top on crypto has shifted dramatically with the incoming administration. There's already been a total 180 on these hot-button issues. The SEC dropped lawsuits against Kraken and Coinbase and ended other investigations. The SEC also reversed an accounting rule, SAB 121. I know this might not sound exciting, but it's going to be easier for banks to provide crypto custody, and that's huge. Congress has been working to clear obstacles. For example, the Senate voted to overturn DeFi broker rule that requires IRS reporting for consumer transactions. And it's not just a rollback of regulation. The plans for a strategic Bitcoin reserve and a U.S. digital asset stockpile is a major market signal. There's nothing like having the U.S. government as an investor. It says, not only is crypto legit, we want to be a part of this future too. And SEC Commissioner Hester Pierce, aka Crypto Mom, is leading a task force to shape a realistic regulatory framework for crypto. It will look ahead, not react to the past with enforcement years later. One big issue is stablecoin legislation. It has plenty of bipartisan support because we all know digital currency will eventually become mainstream. And because clear regulation will make markets safer, create confidence, and drive growth. So, stablecoin bills have a lot of activity in Congress, but we're still waiting. Will it cross the finish line in 2025? That will be a watershed moment. Crypto has fundamentally changed the dynamic between money and government. Some crypto purists would shun a sovereign state's attempt to control this global force. Others want government to legitimize cryptocurrency and encourage mainstream use. What does the right kind or right amount of regulation look like to you? Let us know in the comments.